Welcome to AI-powered to-do list automation.
Imagine having your daily to-do list organized automatically. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up AI tools that generate and manage your to-dos, freeing up time and making productivity seamless. Whether you're a busy professional, student, or just looking to stay organized, modern AI apps can simplify your daily planning with minimal effort.
Choosing an AI productivity app.
Start by selecting a reputable AI-powered productivity app. Popular choices include Todoist with its AI Smart Schedule, Microsoft To Do with built-in suggestions, and Notion with AI integrations. Look for features like natural language processing, task suggestions, recurring reminders, and compatibility with your devices. Most apps offer free trials, so you can explore what fits your workflow best.
Setting up automatic to-do generation.
Once your app is installed, connect it to your calendar, email, or notes. Many AI productivity tools can scan your schedule, deadlines, and previous tasks to suggest new to-dos every morning. Enable task import features, allow permission for calendar access, and configure recurring tasks to let the AI start building your daily list for you.
Managing and customizing your tasks.
Review your daily AI-generated to-do list each morning. Most apps provide editing and prioritization options, letting you rearrange, add, or remove tasks. Use tags, deadlines, and categories for further organization. If you notice repeated tasks or want to focus on priorities, adjust your preferences so the AI learns your habits and tailors suggestions accordingly.
Maximizing productivity with smart features.
Explore advanced features like AI-generated summaries, focus modes, and automation with other apps. Many tools automatically roll over unfinished tasks, suggest time blocks based on your habits, and integrate with virtual assistants. By leveraging these features, you'll spend less time planning and more time completing tasks, making each day more productive and less stressful.